Now our chief investigative correspondent Brian Ross joins us now with more on this. And Brian, Congress calling for a big investigation into this matter with the Russian hacking. What do we know right now?
Well, first of all, we heard from the Russians this morning. They call the CIA assessment unfounded, unprofessional, unqualified. But the fact is the Russians did target both Republicans and Democrats during the election. That's according to U.S. and European intelligence officials, as well as members of Congress from both sides of the aisle. The Russians were much more successful, however, with the Democrats than the Republicans, which had a better cybersecurity operation. The Russians got into 2 computers connected to the Republicans, a consultant and a local party, but they did not get to the main computer at the RNC.
The big question, motive here, were the Russians trying to help Trump win?
Well, in this case, other intelligence agencies tell us they don't agree with the CIA. They say what they are now analyzing is that the Russians thought Hillary Clinton was going to win. They sought to weaken her once she was elected. It wasn't so much about going after Trump and getting him elected, according to these officials.
All right, interesting. Brian Ross, as always, thank you so much.